Blessed Saint Joseph, how great was thy worth, the one chosen shadow of God upon earth, the Father of Jesus, Amen wilt thou be, sweet spouse of Our Lady, a Father to me. For thou to the pilgrim art Father and Guide, and Jesus and Mary fell safe at thy side. Ah, blessed Saint Joseph, how safe I should be, sweet spouse of Our Lady, if thou wert with me. When the treasures of God were all sheltered on earth, safekeeping was found for them both in thy worth. O Father of Jesus, be Father to me, sweet spouse of Our Lady, and I will love